Alright, for today's blog, I just want to say how do you say it? I've been legitimately trying to, get a different job, but, anyway, this is just a little resin thing I was trying. It didn't want to completely pull out entirely. Yes, it was hard and only the top surface, but not the inside. This isn't UV resin, but when I'm thinking about this, maybe sometime I get UV resin put in there and it would harden and take that out easy. But, like was yesterday, what really got me in it, and I want to kind of make sure everybody knows this. I had customers hollering at me for the last couple days, and like I said, one had to frickin' pull the window up when I had my back turned, and I was right in the entryway of Menards asking for one of the rails, and I'm sitting there going, really, if you want one of them rails, can't you just pull your truck over, park, go inside, get a rail, and be done with it? And the other one, it's like, can't you carry your kid inside and then get a cart? Because this is where I don't want to tell anyone. I'm done with pushing carts. I'm done with cashiering. A lot of the customers bully me on a daily basis where I work at. And it's no fun. Like I said, it makes you not really want to come into work that day. Makes you be afraid to come into work. And it's like, I never had this issue when I was working at Walmart and Black, or let alone at Gordy's and Shopko, let alone even Sears. And Sears was in Eau Claire like Menards is. So I'm to the point where it's like, what do I do now? You know, I can't quit my job, obviously. The thing is, what do you do? Because it's like, I don't want people getting mad when I say this, but I just don't like getting picked on and hollered at pretty much when I'm at work. Because it's like, can't you guys just, not be that way? And now I'm to the point where it's like, okay, well, what do I do just to kind of... And I guess now my hours go back up next week. And I'm sitting there going, and I told my husband, Arnie, that, I don't know if they're going to keep doing that to me or if they'll do it again. Because we can't live off of me only getting around 13, 15 hours for 1 week. We can't. And if I was getting food stamps with my husband, Arnie, I would have been told to go get a different job right now, really. I know they don't realize it, but yeah. And, I'm going to edit the video I had just uploaded, but I'm going to include in there the website link to Walmart Ethics, because like I said, in case anyone wants to report the Fabulous 5, like I said, for them to trigger an investigation, I would need a lot of people to come up and saying this. And then it would trigger a full-on investigation. Since I have no physical proof and no evidence like Walmart would want on this click, and I guess the video didn't want to show the full picture that I downloaded. I don't know why, but I did a video thing and everything. But, like I said, what can I do? I can name them all off, but then again, it might cause trouble too, because then once I name them all off, who's gonna want to do that, But, now with my brother, what my big prediction that'll happen is, I think she'll find out through his drinking buddy that he talks to on the phone that he complains to about her on every night when she's at work. When she's not around him, he'll basically call this guy up and he'll bitch about Shamila, saying, I'm gonna dump her. Wait and see. I'll leave her at the bar to figure out how she's going to get her own ride. Well, like I said, I kind of hope that, and two, she'll come across my YouTube video, listen to what I have to say. Here's what'll happen. She'll realize I'm saying the same story as this guy has told her. This guy will tape record my brother bitching about her, basically, and to the point he'll find out, she'll be like, oh, this cannot be coincidence, because she'll hear my story through YouTube, basically. Shamila will dump Kevin, kick him out of the house. And, yeah, basically be end of story, but, yeah. What I don't want to say to anyone right now is, ugh. Yeah, it's just gonna be really hard to talk, but to start off with things, it's like, what am I gonna do when I do get some things done, But I think, like, when she finds out that he's bitching about her, that's gonna be the last straw. But what I really want to do, and I don't want to tell my husband this, but I'm gonna try to buy myself I'm just trying to think if I should or not, because like I said, I'm not sure. I know it sounds funny, but it's like, well, I'm off for so many days, and, well, like I said, right now, it's like I wish I could go back to Walmart right now. But, yeah. Right now, all I got hope with these is that so I turned these backwards, basically. That resin dries right there like that, and then I peel it back off, and then I'm going to have to put these in a metal backing pendant. And when I get liquid resin that is UV, I'm going to have to put them in there. And get that residue all it plus them pieces out. I'm probably going to have to put the liquid clear resin again, which is going to be hard UV. Once it hardens, I'm pretty sure it'll grab a hold of that like nothing and yank them out, everything. But, yeah. So, like I said, if I can get a lot of people to report the Fabulous Five, I could probably get, an investigation triggered at Walmart. Like I said, that's the only way.